So hi, today we'll discuss about the SIP, VOIP and IMS training course. This is designed for telecom engineers and those who are already working in NOC engineer where you are not getting much salary. So after this course, you will get more salary and VOIP market is open always where you will enhance your skill as well as growth in your professional career. Let's see. So ATS SIP training course, the overview. The ATS is the place to learn all about the session initiation protocol, also known as a SIP. There is so much information on the internet about the SIP that is both hard to read and poorly presented, making it difficult for the people to learn about this most important protocol. So the ATS with its lively, clear and fully animated e-learning platform has become the only place you need to learn about the SIP. Who would benefit from the ATS SIP training program? Everyone. This training is designed to suit anyone working with SIP such as manufacturer of IP, PBX and IP phone equipment, SIP security equipment manufacturers, SIP trunk service providers, hosted cloud service providers, carrier or mobile telecom operators, network design specialists, sales and marketing professionals working with voice and video over IP equipment and services. All of these will be benefit from this program. What is in the ATS SIP training program? Once you will enroll, you will see 14 module. You can work through the module in the order to simply choose the one you are most interested in. The modules are listed here, but for more detail, please look further into document by clicking on the module names, the list below. So here we'll discuss core SIP, Wireshark, SIP and PSTN, SIP, WIPE and QS, SIP and media security, STIR and Shakin and the identity problem, firewall, NAT, session border controller, SBC, SIP trunking, testing, troubleshooting and interoperability, enum pairing and interconnect, SIP in the cloud, SIP in the cellular network, SIP and PACS over IP, SIP and UC, UCAS and CPAS. Let's see further into the deep. How long it will take to work through? Running time for the program are approximate. The time will vary based on the student, on experience, and of course how much time they want to spend on the material if they want reply some module. The total time will more than this and depends on factors such as slides being replayed, not taking working or on lab, some of which we can take a few hours. Also doing some extra work on the software tools provided for the labs, which are believe in great idea as it's increase student like. For further study time of ATS, the taking final test itself should be counted. Let's see. Is there a prerequisite for this course? So this program basically designed those are having knowledge of basic understanding of networking, or those having certification of CCNA, and also any certification is not required, so just need to basic understanding about the networking. And for VOIP program also available by the website, please check carefully the skill required to SIP learning experience. Become a ATS certified associate. You can gain access to the certification test separately with the bundle license. ATS certification recognizes the telecommunication world as the only certification SIP to globally. Manufacturer, service provider, cloud provider, carrier, mobile network operator. To prepare the certification test, a SIP training module has on mini quiz at the end of the delegates. Guess will they are doing. Access license of training course and certification test for 12 months. So all the session will be recorded for 12 months. You will get access through the application. So what topic will cover into the core SIP? Why SIP? What is SIP? SIP from the RFC. We'll discuss RFC. What are the requests for comment? RFCs more than just 3261. New RFCs. IETF working group based on HTTP. Where does SIP fit? SIP client and server, SIP user agent, SIP dialog invite, SIP system architecture, SIP URI, SIP addressing example. The core SIP session initiation protocol is described in module along with the many others component and services that will encountered on the SIP based network. So SIP server and operation, where the registration, re-registration, SIP proxy servers and why we need them, proxy servers, state type, DSCP and SIP proxy, trapezoid model, SIP server proxy mode, SIP server redirect modes, location servers, service, SIP service server in proxy mode, SIP server in proxy redirect mode, stateful and stateless proxy, location servers, and its component. Information sources, for example, SIP client configuration scenario, some basic element need to configure SIP messaging, request method, response code, SIP headers, invite example, response, 200 OK, more on headers, support and require header for time to time, session times, 100 rlm, track, provisional acknowledgement before final acknowledgement. Short form of compact headers. Then we'll switch into the SDP. Session description protocol, SDP in SIP message, an SDP example, extended SDP, multiple M lines, media lines, changing session parameters, SDP example, put call on hold. So everything will put on Wireshark log so that you will more confident. SDP example, SIP call hold trace, call hold, old and new method, music on hold example, invite and reinvite. Then we'll go for SIP mobility. So SIP mobility, SIP call forking, parallel, sequential, call legs, dialog and call ID. Dialog trace example, dialog transaction, branch ID, call forward to voicemail, call forward no answer, replace header, diversion headers, history info, more and proxies and SIP routing, stateless proxy, stateful proxy, more proxy information, via and record route, via detail, record read define, record route example, loss and strict routing, session policies will discuss in detail. SIP and back-to-back user agent, back-to-back user agent example, back-to-back user agent, benefit and features will discuss in detail. Now SIP call process summary. The call process. In second module, you will get Wireshark. What is Wireshark? Initial setup, free SIP account, test numbers, desktop client. This is the some client name we can download and we can set up in our laptop. Mobile client like SIP phone in browser, SIP browser in client, free DID and credit, security and SIP Wireshark, social study directory, security and SIP Wireshark, download Wireshark, Wireshark, introduction, menus, screen view, capturing traffic, display filters, capture filters, SIP packet analysis, SIP headers and audio playback, other menu options, SIP invite analysis, follow UDP stream, frame relationship, coloring rules as ITP stream. So Wireshark, in this module on Wireshark is an introduction that is attended to get a student kindly quickly so they can capture traffic to analyze during the course SIP module and the rest of course. More advanced Wireshark training can be found troubleshooting and testing and interoperability of this module. The use the cloud, pick apps from the other place, lab exercise, what are the codes. In third module, we'll discuss SIP and PSTN topics. SIP and PSTN topic will discuss SIP to PSTN overview, SIP to PSTN call flow, SIP to PSTN detail, PSTN to SIP call flow, SIP to PSTN call failure, SIP codecs and PSTN. So everything we'll discuss in detail. Early media, SIP to PSTN, early offered and delayed offer, gateways, default gateways and expectation, SIP trunking and PSTN, SIP trunking and SIP identity, SS7, ISDN, SIP, ISUP and SIP messages, ISDN user part, ISUP to SIP codes, PSTN to PSTN via SIP, ISUP encapsulation, encapsulation with SDP, addressing nodes will discuss into the detail. And SIP and DTMF, quick recap, what is DTMF, inbound versus out of band, RFC, so multiple RFCs here we'll discuss into the detail. So in fourth module we'll discuss SIP, VoIP and QS topics. What is VoIP or voice over IP? What is VoIP? What is voice over IP? VoIP a basic call, VoIP and TCP UDP, VoIP over the internet, branch to branch VoIP, signaling path, speech path, IPPBX, voice sampling and codecs of for voice, the dynamic RTP payload type, the codec test, MOS, mean opinion score, R factor, high deviation as the voice, sound test, codecs and bandwidth, packet rate, packet per second, variable bit rate, constant bit rate codecs, wideband codec, Opus codecs, Opus audio example. So everything we'll discuss into the detail. The real-time protocol for RTP, RTP introduction, RTP encapsulation, RTP header trace, RTP, RTCP protocol, the control protocol, RTCP XR extended report, RTCP and UTP port number. So everything we'll discuss in the detail. Then we'll discuss quality of service like QoS described, QoS issues, measuring delay, jitter, packet loss, general VoIP acceptance criteria, QoS across all the network, 802.1q VLANs, 802.1q tagging, L2 classification, TOS and different servers, Layer 3 classification, DSCP assurance assured forwarding, bandwidth decision, link option, symmetric DSL, bandwidth kbps versus packet per second pps, network behavior analysis, issue that can affect quality of service summary, testing or your link, how your link is working. SIP and SDP and VoIP. Then 200 OK. Video over IP. What is video over IP? Streaming voice and video. One-way transmission. Two-way conference with RTP. Codec bandwidth consideration. Video bitrate calculators. Setting video codecs device. Audio and video. The SDP body. Assured SIP services. SIPs. Assured SIP intro server provider architecture, proxy and access router function, resource priority, video example, headers, region header for pre-assumption event, more proxy detail, multi-level pre-assumption and procedure, MLLPs, and summary. In fifth module, we'll discuss authentication and authorization, encryption, TLS, transport layer security, securing SIP signaling, securing the media stream with internal. This topic will take care by SIP trunk and security, attack and the response, NIST recommendation. So module 6, STIR and introduction and topics, who is calling, caller identity, spoofing, STIR and chicane. So everything we'll discuss into the detail. Also we'll discuss enterprises level. We'll discuss rich call data location, adding rich call data, and international STIR. Out of band STIR, call diversion, call analytics, call blocking, what's happening now. So everything we'll discuss with details, the resources related to STIR. In 7th module, we'll discuss firewall, NAT, session border controller like SBC. So we'll discuss firewall. What does firewall do? Are firewall are effective? We'll discuss NAT, PAT, UDP, media, plumbing. We'll discuss NAT in more detail, the NAT and firewall problem, and its solution we'll discuss in detail. Session border controller, SBC action. What is SBC? SBC interoperability example, SBC manufacturer example. We'll discuss SBC in the cloud. So everything we'll discuss into the detail. In 8th module, we'll discuss SIP trunking. SIP trunk. What is SIP trunk? Alternative to TDM, separate data and voice connection. SIP trunk and codecs. SIP trunk benefit. SIP trunking in more depth. SIP trunk capability, SIP trunk network example, peering, disaster recovery. So everything we'll discuss into the detail. Then media gateway, SIP trunk and performance like connection type, ADCL issue, codec, voice data, symmetric, bandwidth calculator, fiber option, trunk bursting, elastic SIP, SIP trunk, MPLS and SD-WAN. Examples will take getting a SIP trunk, mode of operation, security and SIP trunk, Microsoft Skype for Business, SIP trunk, servers and protocol, Microsoft Teams and calling plan. So we'll discuss everything based on our pre-decided topics. In module 9, we'll discuss testing and troubleshooting, interoperability, setting up test environment, Wireshark, interoperability cell testing, common SIP problems, 4 axis, 5 axis or 6 axis. So everything we'll discuss in detail. So more SIP testing tools, SIP workbench, SIP scan, like this. The 10th topic will be enum, peering and interconnect. Enum, what is E.16, what is enum, why enum, call routing enum, enum DNS and domains. So everything we'll discuss into the detail. Type of enums, peering interconnect, VoIP and video, peering interconnect, VoIP and video, benefit of SIP, NNI, IP NNI, identity, codecs, DTMF, QoS. So everything we'll discuss with detail. So point number 11, SIP in the cloud. So we'll discuss about the cloud as well based on the SIP, hosted SIP, pizza as a service, iPaaS, SaaS, virtual PBX on network example, video DevOps cloud system, RDP SBC, Twilio SBC, PBX, Twilio, auto provisioning. The 12th topic will be SIP and the cellular network. So network overview, RAN, eNodeB, EPC, IP core, 3GPP, 4G, LT, LT advanced, WiMAX, the RAN and EPC, default various setup, introduction of the server and function of the IMS, CSCF, ICCF, PCSCF, ICCF, HSS, application server, TAS, PCSCF, DNS and enum, device registration with SIP, SIP registration packet example, SIP in the IMS call flow explained, introduction to the VoLTE, SIP precondition is in action with codec example, SDP, SIP call flow for VoLTE, quality recap, VoLTE media flow, more in VoLTE, the IMS, layer architecture, application, IMS session control, access and transport, 3GPP, RCS, rich communication system. Who provides IMS solution, IPv6 peering security, GSM, SD voice, VoLTE media flow, more on VoLTE, the IMS layer architecture, multi-access device. So everything will provide. At the end of, we'll discuss 5G, benefit of 5G, 5G services, SIP in 5G, 3X model, which are adapted for IMS. So in 13 module, we'll discuss SIP and fax over IP, faxing, basics, fax over IP, fax protocol, Wi-Fi in action, bandwidth, troubleshooting, ongoing effort with RFC. In 14th topic, SIP and UE, UCAS and pre-pass, communication breakdown, playing voice, IM client, the background stuff, how it can work all, conferencing, initiate a call, leave referred, control, YSIP, centralized conferencing. So every topic we'll discuss into the detail. Unified communication, what all the FSS and UCAS pass, device awareness. So, so this course is already recorded based on the topics. So for more detail, you can download our application through the Play Store or in iOS. My Institute And those who are interested to make a career into the VoIP domain or SIP expert, you can take the complete course. For more detail, you can connect with our team regarding the course content. So thanks for watching this video.